I'm so excited to welcome you to this video. We are going to be looking at the Facebook challenge process. Actually, if you don't know or you don't have an idea about what Facebook challenge is, don't worry, we'll get into that as well. But if you already know and you are looking for ways to make or bring more people, more customers to take a look at what it is that you have to offer, then Facebook challenge is the best answer for you. If this is the first time you meeting me, I'm Abakar Minatu, and I help entrepreneurs to 10 times their sales online. This I do to help them have a better life for themselves as well as their families. Now, what is a Facebook challenge? It's just a process where you bring people together, challenge them to undertake a task, and you actually having the end goal in mind. What exactly you want them to do? Is it you want them to buy some products you have? Is it that you want to recruit them into your business? Or it's just to educate them, just to increase engagement on your own profile or on your page or on your group? Anything at all. The objective depends on what you want to achieve with a challenge, and it's possible. Whatever you want to achieve, if it's genuine, if it's something that is going to help them and also help you, it is legitimate. With that said, let's look at what the process is. Before then, I have a video on the stages. There are 5 stages you need to go through with a Facebook challenge. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I'm sure it will be appearing in the left or right hand side of this video. Be sure to watch that one as well, because it will give you the step-by-step ways you can actually organize your challenge. Okay, so what is a process? A process simply is a chain of activities, what you will be doing during that particular challenge. Now, the first step is you need to find your audience. Get a group of highly targeted prospects for your business together and get them all into a private Facebook group that you run. That is it. That is the trick. You get all these targeted people together at one place, and now you can serve them. That is the second step. Take them through a series of tasks where you show them how to do something that they would see as valuable. Bite-sized pieces of value that addresses their biggest challenges and solve their biggest problems, and you are their leader throughout the challenge. So here you are there to serve them. In the 5 steps, it's there. Once you watch the video, you get the steps before this. So in that one, you need to have the end in mind. Now that you know, maybe you want to recruit people into your business, then what type of people do you want to recruit? Are they unemployed? Are they employed and struggling with jobs? Or are they people looking to make money online? You see, so once you know your audience, bring all these people together in your Facebook group. Once they are in your Facebook group, you know your audience. You know their challenges. If, for example, there are people who are trying to make money online, then it's because they are frustrated. They want to get time and money freedom, or time and financial freedom. So what will be the content that you'll be creating? You need to show them how your business can help them actually achieve time and financial freedom through the challenge that you are going to be giving them. Or if maybe you actually put together a group of people who maybe you want to help them change their facial look, then those are what is their problem. Their problem is that maybe they have pimples, they have wrinkles, they have acne, their skin is not glowing, and so they lack confidence. They are not happy when they meet other people. So through your group, you are going to be taking them through a series of activities each day, so that at the end of it, they either be able to correct their pimples, if not totally eliminated. The process has started. Or if it's someone that is struggling financially, by the end of it, the person should have hope. Because within a short period, let's say 5 days, 7 days, it isn't going to change someone's life dramatically. but it can start the process of making the person feel good, of letting the person know, wow, my future is bright. There is something out there for me. So yours is to sit down and then put all that together. Then the third step, or the third in the process, is each day of the challenge, you will build upon the task from the day before, helping them achieve some desire or goal, creating small victories and celebrating each victory within the group. This is fantastic. I remember when I did my 5 days challenge. The challenge is actually on this channel. You can, if you are yet to go through my 5 days challenge, you can get the videos up there in either the top left hand side or right hand side. The pop-up will come. You can watch those videos, or I'll leave the link in the description. Click them and go through the 5 days challenge yourself. It's about getting engagement on your group. Each day I took them through separate activities. We looked at different types of groups, posts. We looked at image posts. We looked at curiosity posts. We looked at question posts. So many, at least 5 of them, because it was a 5-day Facebook challenge, post engagement challenge. So you can go through that video and then get yourself equipped with it as well. So help them at a date. Each day, build on that. And once they do it, I told you, when we were doing the challenge, anytime they make the post, I make them copy the link of that particular post and then bring it into the group and post it below the video that asks them to go and do that challenge. So that once everybody's link is there, we all go through the links. The next day when I'm going to do the video, I go through what they posted. We discuss what they did well, where they needed to improve. When I see maybe what you did isn't something I should discuss it openly, I keep that, and then I inbox you privately to tell you how you can improve on what it is that you did. So you can also copy from that. You can do it. Everyone can do it. Don't throw this away. It's a very, very powerful way of generating leads for your business. Then the fourth step is turn challenges into customers. That is the ultimate goal. You either want them to buy a product or you want them to join your business. So all of the steps above make them love and trust you. And if the challenge is executed properly, at the end of the challenge, your challengers are magically ready to buy your product and or join your business. So this is how it works. It does. If you are facing challenge, feel free to comment below this video what it is that you need help with. I will surely get in touch with you and help you with that. If this is the first time you coming to my channel, or you are yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button and then ring the notification bell. That way you get notified of other powerful trainings I do release to help you 10 times your sales online. Until I catch you, it has always been lovely, and it's a bye-bye for now.